The Bible also says, if you can found this, then there shall there be a future. That is in Proverbs 24 verse 14. Then shall there be a future, because the enemy will not toy with you anymore. There are things God created, when you bring it to pass, that enemy called witchcraft that destroy people's destiny, they will not. The message of this honey is very high, starting from while it is in the bush. No animal there. My name is Ernest Mario. I am a bush evangelist. I am teaching the mystery behind the natural thing created by God in the bush. Today, we are going to learn the mystery behind honey, forest honey. This is the forest honey, the one the Bible calls wild honey. This is the best type of honey we use in treating any disease in the body, especially wound in the body. If anybody has a wound in the body, this is the type of honey which you apply direct. It will heal quick than any medicine you can find in the world, and it will heal without no trace. No matter how big the wound is, apply this direct. It is very, very effective. It also treats diabetic wounds. If somebody has diabetic patient and he has wound, there is no medicine in the world that can treat it. If you go to hospital, they will advise your leg to be cut off, and even after cutting it will come up, it will continue until it claims the life of the person. But this can treat it. It makes it well. It can treat it very clear. It is also good for diabetic patients. If somebody is diabetic, doctors will tell you, don't eat it, don't eat this, don't do this, don't do that. The life will not suit you. But if you can get this, mix it well, treat it after 7 days, go back to that same doctor. If you want to see the wonders of nature, go back to that same doctor that asks you, stop this, don't take this, don't take this. That same doctor will advise you to start taking those things he has said you should not take. What about brain loss in human being? There are sickness that somebody will have in brain with loss, will not remember anything. This is the only thing that brings that person back. After taking this, he will start telling you what happened when he's in secondary school or in primary school. It is very, very effective. How about stretch mark in women? Sometimes they say, woman, show me your stomach, I'll tell you how many children you have. But if you can lay hand on this, mix with your cream, use it for some times, your body will be like when you are still young girl. Very fresh after 6 children or 7 children. You can claim to be a virgin that you have never have any child for persons who don't know you. What about cream buns? More especially on women. When you overmix your cream, it gives you different color for body. Look for this. Mix with original Vaseline. It gives your body back as it is when you are younger. What about fire? If fire burns anybody, no matter how big, you use this, pour it on the surface. It is the only thing that can trace fire burn without leaving any trace. You cannot find anywhere mark that will say you have once been burned by fire. You cannot leave any trace. Heart attack. Researchers have shown that anyone that takes this, that are using this, cannot die of heart attack. Impossible. It prevents heart disease in every human being. Weak erection. This is the only thing that can make man give you back your erection as if when you are still very young, no matter how old you are. Our forefathers, they used to have 4 wives, some 20 children. All the children belongs to him. But now, some of our young men from 40 years, they are hiding. Buy this and thank me later. It is not for quick election alone. It also treats poor ejaculation. It also treats low sperm counts. 1 touch, 2 children. What about strong cough? No matter how strong the cough is, this is the experts. It prevents cancer. Anyone that is taking this, it prevents cancer. That is why it is advisable anytime or anybody, if you are above 40, this is the best food you would ever have. Add in any of your meal that requires sugar. It gives you long life. It reduces high BP. It stable low BP. It brings your BP to normal. Either you have low or you have high BP. You cannot die of high BP. It is the only medicine that can treat high blood pressure. Best in ulcer treatments. If somebody is having ulcer, you never get this, you continue suffering ulcer. All this sickness you can treat, there are things you mix them and make it work faster. We teach that in Telegram group. If you are buying this for any disease, you join our Telegram, we'll give you many options. Cholesterol. Some people are taking medicine in the name of this. If you can get this, you are good to go. It strengthens immune system. Some of the immune system are weak. They are even dying slowly. It strengthens immune. When you start taking this, early morning you are looking for where to go. In fact, you carry cutlass if you are a farmer. Infection of all type, this is the best. All type of infection you can ever drop, you can ever see, is this. What about longevity? The researchers have shown that whosoever using this are not dying young. This has something to do with white blood cell. It generates white blood cell and bring your life younger. It makes you to look younger than your age. All the medicine that can ever tell you to mix honey, this is the best type for any diseases you are treating with honey. If you go to any hospital, you go to anybody, you go to anywhere, anything they ask you mix with honey, this is the one they're talking about, wild honey. It is called forest honey. What I will ask you to do, go to Google, type health benefits of honey. They will teach you more than me. That place you will understand. And anything they taught you that place, or they teach you there, it is this particular honey, the best type of honey for treating any disease in the body. What about sports? Someone that is on sports, if you are using this thing while you are a sports person, any day you are going for sports competition, you will run from morning till night, you will never get tired. And your heart will not complain. That is the wild honey for you.